Hi guys, Mark from Konica here. In this presentation we're going to run through the installation of a Windows print driver of a Konica Minolta MFD. First step is to identify the IP address of your MFD. Go to the control panel, push the utility button, then bring up the device information button, and here you'll see the IP address of your MFD. Make note of the number that's displayed on your control panel of your MFD. Now we need to identify the operating system of your computer. You go to the Start and right click on the Start button, go to System. Up here it will display 64-bit operating system, or it will just be standard. You will need to know this in order to download the correct version of the print driver for your operating system. The next step, go to Konica Minolta's official website in your local region. Select Support and Downloads. Then go to Download a Driver. From here, scroll down. Search for your product. Type in the model number of your machine. It will then appear in a list down below. Select the correct model and then press Go. Scroll down the page, choose your operating system. This is where you select whether it's a 64-bit operating system or a standard operating system. Press the little arrow on the right hand side under Print Drivers to reveal the drivers that are suited for your particular model. The latest versions are displayed at the top of the list. Accept the license agreement and then click on the link that contains the zipped file. You can go ahead and close the web page down now. Once the file is downloaded, browse to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Take note of where you're extracting the file to, or just extract it straight into your Downloads folder. Once the driver has been installed, this file will no longer be required. Select Start, go to Settings, the little gear-shaped icon, go to Devices, select Printers and Scanners, press the Add Printer or Scanner. Now wait until you see the message come up, the printer that I want isn't listed, and press this link. Now select Add a printer using the TCP IP address or host name. Press Next. Then under the device type, from the drop-down box, select TCP IP device. Now type in the IP address of your MFD, which was recorded earlier. Please note that the number will be different from the number you see being typed in here. Also, decheck the query printer automatically. From this page, leave it on Standard Generic Network Card. Press Next and go to Have Disk. Browse to the Downloads folder where you extracted the file. It may not be the Downloads folder, it may be somewhere different. Select the Setup Information file and press OK. Select your model from the list. If your model does not appear here, I will leave a description down below in which driver to select for your corresponding model. Select Replace the current driver and then click Next. Once your driver is installed, you may share it if you need to, or do not share it if it's a local installation. Set it as a default if that's what you require. Now click on the printer in your printers list and click Manage. On the left hand side, go to Printer Properties. We just need to confirm that it's picked up all the options. Go into the Configure tab and you'll see all the options that your device has. If it hasn't automatically loaded these options, chances are it's not communicating correctly and you may need to redo the process. Otherwise, press OK and your driver is installed.